TigerTec is a Sino-US joint venture company, which are mainly for export. The CNC Cabinet Machining Center Routing Nesting Drilling launched by TigerTec with 12 PCS of carousel tool magazine and 5+4 boring unit can cut, groove, and drill holes in one machine. Meanwhile, we offer 3-year warranty, which means we not only have confidence in our after-sales service, but also we have confidence in the quality and assembly technique of the machine. CNC Cabinet Machining Center Routing Nesting Drilling has 5 advantages. 1. Automatic loading system. The forklift will take a dozen panel plates on the feeding area, which has the automatic light spot switch. Whenever the machine automatically grabs a panel plate, the loading table will automatically rise to the correct height and at the correct time. 2. Automatic vertical hole drilling. After the suction cup finished automatically grasping the panel plates, the material positioning cylinder would adjust the panel plates to the best position. Could read the processing code generated by the software. The boring heads could drill the vertical holes automatically. 3. Automatic material grooving and cutting. After finished drilling holes, machine do grooving and cutting work, including abnormality cutting. After finished cutting, the pusher blower would be off to the surface of the working table. 4. Automatic unloading system. The pusher blower pushed the finished work pieces off the table and blows off the dust at the same time, while the suction cup grabs a new panel plate to the feeding area. The process is not interrupted at the same time. 5. Saving labor cost, suitable for large quantities of customized programs processing. Machine specification with following 8 characteristics. 1. Italy HSD 9 kW high-power spindle motor, powerful cutting force and faster working speed. Adopt 12 PCS carousel tool magazine from Taiwan for ATC function, which can adapt to a variety of cabinet door production. 2. 5+4 L-type vertical row of CNC drilling, faster drilling speed and high precision. 3. Adopt Japanese Yaskawa servo system and Shimpo planetary reducer could ensure high running speed and accuracy. 4. All electrical parts from Schneider. 5. Taiwan SynTech control machine communication interface, convenient operation. Ordinary workers can operate it by simple training. No need the professional technical labor, so it could reduce the restriction factors of factorial development because of the shortage of technical workers. Layer multi-holes vacuum, which can strongly absorb materials with different areas. 7. Bed and gantry are through tempering treatment, which could remove the machine stress caused by welding, so as to ensure the machine with firm and durable structure without diffraction. 8. Regarding the linear rail and rack, we all adopt international premium brands such as Taiwan High Wind, THK, and WMH helical rack. In addition, we first introduced the concept of metal fixing on the rail, which could solve the problem of rail with unstable precision in 3 or 4 years of operation in the CNC field. At the same time, TigerTec introduced automatic edge banding machine, automatic laser side hole drilling machine, and adding CNC machining center routing nesting drilling. We call it is a complete panel furniture production line, which is the one-stop solution to nesting, routering, vertical drilling, and engraving on the panel plate furniture.